I am back in Jeju, South Korea, attending Jeju Forum for Peace and Prosperity, which is an annual event that discusses major security issues, building a lasting peace in the region, and also focuses on North and South Korea relations. Tourism is often said to contribute to peace. The logic is that through tourism, local residents achieve higher standards of living and therefore are less likely to produce a conflict situation. And another logic for tourism being a promoter of peace is that tourism is supposed to help create a cultural exchange and therefore more tolerance around the world. However, critics would point out that often tourism is the outcome of peace rather than a driver of peace. The logic here is that tourists are risk-averse and therefore they would visit destinations that are relatively peaceful or safe already. At the Jeju Forum, we also had a discussion on the tourism being a promoter of peace in the Korean Peninsula. And we discussed opportunities for North and South Korea relationship and collaboration in tourism. There are many obstacles, and the previous attempts of establishing visitation between North and South Korea have seen a mixed success. For example, there was a tour running to Mount Kumgan from 2002 to 2008 until one of the South Korean tourists was killed by a North Korean soldier. There has been also another attempt at establishing visitation between the relatives who are divided after the North-South Korea conflict. And this kind of specialized tours may be actually an opportunity to establish a long-lasting collaboration. So in terms of visiting relatives or maybe cultural and student exchange tours. Another opportunity is to run tours around the demilitarized zone at the border of two Koreas, because that area has become very prominent as a natural preserved area. However, there are also many obstacles related to socio-economic dimensions and obviously political issues between North and South Korea. So maybe actually it is more likely to achieve collaboration for tourists that are neither from North nor South Korea, but for outsiders traveling around the region and visiting both North and South Korea first. Nevertheless, we can be hopeful that at one stage, whole Korean Peninsula will achieve peace, prosperity, and sustainable tourism.